Hello, I'm Chip Meckel from N.E.T.R. Today we're here at Manchester by the Sea to look at a home that we recently installed a Mitsubishi mini split system.
Kirk Forsyth, Gardner Mattress. Had this mini split system put in August this summer. Completely changed the environment in my house. Went from a very hot, steamy home to a nice, comfortable, fairly dry home. So made a huge difference.
So Kirk, how many units did you have installed in the home?
We had 5 heads put in the house, 2 downstairs and 3 upstairs, 1 in each bedroom. But that also included 2 condensers outside, a lot of plumbing that goes into wiring and literally plumbing these units. So a 3-day process for 5 units was surprisingly fast, in my opinion.
What was it that made you call N.E.T.R. to the home?
The humidity had been off the charts this summer, so it forced me to look into some solution for this house. We were even, mold spots were starting to creep up and pop up all over the place, which we had never seen in this house before. And these mini split systems absolutely changed the environment of our home. When you came out, you walked through, you created a plan. In fact, immediately you had a crew in mind that you were going to have come out, because you said this is a little bit of a complicated situation. We have a unique space here, some unique situations of, how the plumbing was going to have to be and all that. So you would give me a checklist of things I could expect, phone calls, emails, confirmations, all that. And it went exactly to plan. Everybody walked me through what was gonna happen even when they got here. So, again, the communication factor was key in just making us feel like, this is great. Because I mean, you're bringing in strangers into your home, and they're gonna be in here for majority of the time with us not here. And that can be a little like, oh, what's gonna happen? But you know what? When the communication is and people are friendly and they say they're gonna do what they're gonna do and then they do it, makes you feel good. So these guys are professionals that you guys have, because I see how everything is wrapped and everything is clean and everything is zip tied and done professionally. So that it is, I mean, a really, really tidy job. For me in this, in this situation, ductwork wasn't going to be an option. We have very thin walls, thin ceilings. I mean, this literally was a barn until 1968, so it was not even a home. It was a barn that was probably used 3 months out of the year, and that's it.
Challenging spot.
Challenging spot, yep. No insulation in the home, or very little at the time. So the heat factor in here was off the charts. To add to that, because of the summer being so humid, the humidity was becoming a real problem in our home. The final day of installation, when they got these units working downstairs, had to be 95 degrees in here. So I was literally sitting in here after work in a pair of shorts and no shirt, steaming, sweating, as I had been used to being in these days in this house. And literally by 7 o'clock that night, I was wrapping a blanket around me, and they didn't. This unit started going at about 2:30 in the afternoon. The other unit at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So in that 3-hour span, we dropped 20 degrees in here.